Hi, dear children. This is your GK ma'am. Welcome to the GK class. So, how are you, children? I hope you all are fine and safe, right? Shall we start our session with prayer? All of you, just close your eyes and pray. Asatoma Satkamaya Tamasoma Jyotirkamaya Mrityorma Mridam Kamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. All of you slowly open your eyes. So children, our today's topic is great geniuses. So genius means people with extraordinary intelligence are known as geniuses. A genius is a highly talented, creative and intelligent person. Their thinking and activities are different from other persons. So children, if you work hard and learn well, you also be one of the genius. Okay. So this session we let you know about some of the great genius of the world. So the first genius, Galileo. His full name was Galileo Galilei. He was born in 1564 at Pisa, Italy. He was an Italian natural philosopher, astronomer and mathematician, also professor. He made fundamental contribution to the science of motion and astronomy. So Galileo has been called the father of observational astronomer and the father of modern science, also father of scientific method. First, he began to study medicine at the University of Pisa, but he was very much interested in mathematics, so changed the study to philosophy and mathematics. So children, now let's see Galileo's discoveries and his innovations. So many years before, people believed that object falling according to its weight, that means weighted object reach the ground first, then the lighter object. But Galileo wanted to prove that it's wrong by his experiment. So in 1589, he did one experiment that he went to the top of the famous tower Pisa. Then he dropped two objects with the same shape and different weight. In this experiment, that the two objects fall down and hit the ground at the same time. So in this, he proved that objects fall in the same speed and same rate, not because of weight. Also, Galileo opened eyes of the world to new way of thinking about our solar system and astronomy in general works. So many years scientists believe that sun and planets are revolved around the earth. But Galileo was the first person to prove that was not actually correct, and in the fact that the earth and other planets are revolved around the sun. So one of his most important innovation is improved telescope. In the year of 1609, this telescope having 3x magnification. By using this telescope, Galileo discovered the physical detail about individual body of solar system and the stars of the Milky Way, the phases of the Venus, and also discovered the Saturn's ring. And also he discovered 4 moons of the Jupiter. Now it's known as the Galileo moons. And he was the first person to discover the moon surface not smooth and perfect. It has craters and mountains. So he also innovated many things. The first pendulum clock, thermometer, and geometric compass are some of the most important innovations of Galileo. So Galileo, called father of observational astronomer and the father of modern science. So Galileo wanted to test all the principles and try to see them happening in the real world. So the next genius, Rene Descartes. Rene Descartes was born in 1596, France. Rene Descartes was a French philosopher, mathematician and scientist during 17th century. Descartes is also widely regarded as one of the founders of modern philosophy. So Descartes has often been called the father of modern philosophy. Why Descartes was famous and why we called his genius means he is famous for made an important connection between geometry and algebra in mathematics, which allows for the solving of geometric problem by the way of algebraic equation. It used in discovery of calculus and analysis. His greatest contribution to the mathematics is the Cartesian coordination system and Cartesian method. So he credited as the father of analytical geometry. This Cartesian coordination system is still widely used today in the mathematics. So Descartes was also one of the key figures in scientific revolution. Descartes also studied optics by using geometric construction and the law of refraction. By using this, he found out that the angular radius of the rainbow, that is 42 degree. This law is also known as Descartes' law or commonly Snell's law. So in physiology, he was the first major figure in the physiological movement known as rationalism. So rationalism is a method of understanding the world based on the use of reason as mean to attain knowledge. So Descartes has become one of the Europe's most famous philosopher and scientists by 1649. So children, in this session we have seen Galileo and Rene Descartes. So in our next session we will see some other great genius and their innovations. So children, please avoid your mobile phone, laptops, desktop or any other gadgets item after your session. All of you drink more water, eat healthy food and eat more fruits and vegetables. Also stay home, stay safe. Thank you.